Hello and welcome to Random Fix. I'm in the 2019 Corolla Hatchback here, and I recently got this on a trip to Alaska, and today I'm going to show you guys how to reset the maintenance required light, which turns on about every 5,000 miles. And the best part about this is you don't need any tools. It's nice and simple, and for staying tuned till the end, because I know the back of this vehicle is pretty cramped up, I'm going to show you guys how to make your vehicle a little bit more useful, so stay tuned. Alright, so we have the warning light right here, maintenance required. I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and reset this now. You want to turn the vehicle off, hit the ignition so the check engine light turns on but the vehicle is off. And the way you do that, in case you have an automatic, is to make sure that you keep your foot off the brake. And now we're going to go ahead and scroll using these buttons right here. So you're going to hit back to get to this main screen, and you're going to get to this very last screen right here, and right where it says vehicle settings, you're going to go ahead and hit the OK button, and hold this down right here where it says schedule maintenance. We're going to go ahead and hit reset. It says reset complete. And there we go. No more maintenance required warning signs on your Corolla. And as promised, I'm going to give you guys my #1 secret for making your Corolla hatchback a little bit more useful. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and smash on the notification button as well, so anytime I post videos, you definitely will get notified. Let me show you guys what I did on my Corolla, just because I found the space to be super cramped. Here it is, guys. The box made this car so much more useful. It really hasn't affected my miles per gallon or my gas mileage more than probably maybe 1 or 2 miles, but definitely adds a lot more cargo space to the whole vehicle, and I think it looks pretty cool too. Let me know you guys' thoughts.